Ladies and gentlemen, in today's talk, we are going to discuss about the cause and effect. The law of cause and effect. The law of cause and effect empowers you to write your own destiny. Mostly people they say that we are victim. We're not getting what we want, rather destiny and luck, fate, it is governing us and it's giving us what we don't want. The thing is that the law of cause and effect, it works. Whatever you cause, it has effect. So if you are at cause and you are doing something, it is definitely going to give effect. We work hard and we get its result. And whenever we are not doing work, it's also a kind of cause and it will be having effect. There are two people, one is working hard and all the time planning, making goals and then making all effort and putting all energy, all potentials in order to achieve this task. On the other hand, there is a person who is not working hard. He does not work, all the time sitting idle and just wasting his potential energy and times. Definitely he has caused something by not doing work. He'll be having its effect as well. So the law of cause and effect, it works. It has two kind of law. One is physical law, which is practical and predictable, that whatever you do, you get immediate result. For example, if you are sitting on a 12th floor and you jump. Here the law of nature is very neutral. When you will jump from the 12th floor, definitely you will get hurt. You will be injured, you can even lose your life. At the same time, the law of nature will work because it's neutral. When you do effort, when you do work, you get its result. When you don't work, you will get zero result. Same way, the law of cause and effect, it works and it has value. It enable people to achieve a result. Whenever we apply cause and effect in our life, we are less we feel ourselves less victim. We are not victim, we are victor. We make effort and we achieve thing. There is a physical law which is having immediate result. You do something, you get result. And then there is a metaphysical law. So metaphysical law, or you can say cause and effect, it takes time. Some days back, one of the girls, she called upon me. She said that I want to do job, just 10,000 job. I want to do this job, but I motivated her. I say to same girl that you can get a good job. You should do CSS. You should do PPSC English or SS English. You should appear in exam. Then she changed her mind. She says that after half an hour discussion, you've changed my mind. So the thing is that when you put your energy, that energy affects other. So the metaphysical laws and cause and effect, it takes time. It takes half an hour, it takes 2 hours, 5 hours, 2 months, 3 months, but it works as well. Whenever you use this energy in the form of thought, in the form of idea, in the form of emotions, passion, feeling, you invest on other, definitely it is gonna have impact. Same way, if you talk to somebody who is abusive, who is not good, who is taking hasty decision, you talk to the person, you change and transform his life. It takes 2 months, 3 months. You just let him to release his emotions, to have catharsis. So you just use some hypnotic techniques, or you make him to vomit whatever he or she has. So once he or she does this, he or she can be better persons. So he or she can be changed. Same way, whenever you use metaphysical laws like thoughts, feeling, belief, emotions, passion, feeling, and you invest you change, it has impact, but it takes time to have impact on other, but it does have impact. It does have impact. It changes the thought of the mind and the brain of someone. It can change and it can bring changes, but it takes time. There are two kind of law: physical law and metaphysical law. Both go side by side. You can transform person, you can change person, and law of cause and effect works. It gives it works in business, it works in degrees, it works in school, colleges. For example, you want to start business, you want to you cause. How you are going to do cause? You will do effort. You set your goal, you plan your goal, and after that you use all your potential and energy to achieve these goals. And definitely whatever you're doing, it will be giving you good turnover, good business, good outcome, good benefits, and good resources. So you use your all potential energy and resources, and you set your goals, and then you get result. Law of cause and effect works, and it definitely gives you your result. Hope you like this video, because I have explained in simple word. If you want to have another video on law of attraction, you want to have a video on law of vibration, I'll be delivering lecture in future. Stay blessed and have a nice time. If you want to comment, please comment and share your idea related to topics. Stay blessed.